Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove Passkey from your Microsoft account step by step. This very easy process to remove the Passkey from your Microsoft account. Let's go to start. First, open any your browser. I'm opening the Microsoft page, and in the top address bar you have to type www.microsoft.com and press enter. Download the page. On the top of right side you will see the option login. As I'm already signed in, so I'm clicking on my profile and I have to go to view account. Okay, on the left side you will see the security. Click on security. Under security account you will get an option manage how I am signed and click on it. After clicking on how I am signed in, then you will get a new page. On this page you will get an option use a passkey. Click on that option. There you will see view activity, rename and remove. Then you need to click on remove. A confirmation tab will open and you have to click remove again, and then you will click on OK. Your passkey is gone. This is a very easy process, and if you follow these steps carefully you can easily remove the passkey. If you have any question on this regard, please feel free comments and subscribe my channel Saas Pro. Thank you very much. Bye bye.